BP plc, which permanently sealed its ruptured Gulf of Mexico well this weekend, said on Monday that it will be joining the industry's $1 billion effort to contain future subsea oil spills. As part of its agreement to join the Marine Well Containment Company, also known as MWCC, headed by ExxonMobil Corporation, BP will make its underwater well containment equipment available to all oil and gas companies operating in the Gulf. Chevron Corporation, ConocoPhillips, Exxon and Royal Dutch Shell plc said in July that they are developing a new rapid response oil spill containment system in the Gulf to help prevent another disaster like the Macondo blowout. President Pratibha Patil said on Saturday that Cambodia views on oil, natural gas, mineral extraction, agriculture and tourism as areas of bilateral cooperation with India in future. Speaking to reporters on board Air India One, President Patil said, "In Cambodia, I held talks with King Norjam Sihamoni, Prime Minister Hun Sen, and the Presidents of the Senate and the National Assembly. The Cambodian leaders warmly recalled India's invaluable support for Cambodia during its difficult times. They appreciated our developmental assistance and discussed new areas of cooperation." Moving on, a Credit Suisse analyst lowered his forecast for oil and gas prices on Friday and said some energy companies will be hurt more than any others. Analyst Edward Westlake said hefty supplies around the world would keep prices in check. He cut expectations for 2011 oil prices from $80 a barrel to $72.50 per barrel. Expectations for US natural gas prices were also lowered, $5.25 per 1,000 cubic in 2011. That's all the news making waves as of now. Do join us later for some more news making waves. Till then, it's goodbye.